Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video, we will go over some basic and easy-to-learn shortcuts that will save you time while using LusoCAD. The first shortcut you should learn to quickly get information about your model is the Properties panel shortcut. Press Ctrl 1 to bring up the properties of a selected object. Here we can see the dimensions of the object, its color, plot style, and visualization options. Another very useful shortcut is bringing up the Design Center using Ctrl 2. The Design Center is a very convenient way to copy and move elements from different drawings in your system. Here we can see blocks, layouts, text styles, table styles, and many more elements that we can incorporate into our current drawing. Next, we can access our tool palettes very quickly using Ctrl 3. This can save us a lot of time managing our custom tool palettes and inserting elements from the palette into our drawing. Finally, Ctrl 4 will bring up our Sheet Manager to sort and manage all of our sheet settings. This is especially useful for drawings that have different sheet properties. That was all for this lesson. Keep watching the course to further your LusoCAD skills.